Hey friends, if you wish to enter the BIOS in your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the best methods. Now the first method is to restart while holding shift. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or restart, and before clicking restart, press the shift key, and then while pressing the shift key, click on restart. The second method is through the PowerShell command. So search for PowerShell and then open run as administrator and click on yes to open PowerShell. And now you will copy and paste this command in PowerShell. I won't paste it because I don't want to restart my computer, but here's what we will do, and then hit enter. I won't hit enter, otherwise my system will restart, but you have to hit enter. And you can also do it through the run command. I mean, it's easy. Press the Windows key and the R button together and copy paste this command here, which is shutdown space forward slash R space forward slash O space forward slash F space forward slash T space 00. You can ignore 00 if you don't want that. And then click on OK, and it will restart your system in the BIOS mode. Now there's one more thing. There used to be a method through settings, but that has been blended off. And while restarting, I mean, once you restart your computer, there is a key. Upon pressing that key, in my case it is F2. Upon pressing that key continuously, you will enter the BIOS mode. However, this key is different depending upon the brand of your computer. So if you want to use that method, then please contact the manufacturer of your computer. But these three methods are constant for every Windows computer, and I highly recommend the third one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.